guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a bigger slime with these two jelly slimes. They're water slimes, but not stretchy. Like, that's as far as it goes. It's really squishy and just flops everywhere. And then we have number 7. And no, it's not 6 and 7, it's 4 and 7. So then we have this one. I've added soap to it. It's also the creamsicle one. Also good. Let's see if we could blend it somehow. You have to like put pressure on it to blend. See, these are not blending. So if you get these and you want to put them together, if you're like playing a food game and you want to put them together, it's perfect to do that. Like, I have another one and another one. I have 4. So I'm just gonna make a little food thing out of it. This one is sticky, however, we're gonna try to mix this with that. This one is like a good water slime. A good textured water slime, except it's just really sticky, like so sticky. So we're gonna make a soup. This one, we'll have that one with like lettuce, and I guess the meat. We'll make a burger. And make this one. It's so cool. And we'll take these apart. Oh, these ones are caught apart together. These are stuck together now. So we have these two combined. These got combined together. It's actually really pretty now. It's like sticky though. Yeah. Okay. I would rate this slime. I love it a lot. I don't like the colors though. It just doesn't give me a good color vibe. And it can't fit in the container, so just a solid